I'm not in Australia anymore. I had enough of all these beaches and skyscrapers, so I decided to switch countries, and here I am, currently in Queenstown on the southern island, and the nature is just stunning.
The following day, I picked up Marvin from the airport. We grabbed some pizza and went straight for the adventure, summiting Ben Lomond.
We're lucky today. It's beautiful weather. It's just 3 degrees, but anyway, it feels very warm.
And this is the path we're taking towards the peak.
And that is the mountain in front of us. We need to speed up a bit and hurry because the sun is going down at 5 and it's 2:30. And I reckon we need to go back in the dark, so that sucks. We're getting closer to the summit with every step, and we have good company. Look at this, some cute little goats. We arrived at the saddle right now. That's the point between the two mountains, between Arthur's Point and the Lomond. But the problem is the sun is setting down pretty fast, and I don't know if it's worth it to go up because the path is very icy.
We did it anyway.
We're close to the summit. Just snow in here, like proper 20 centimeters of snow. Woo! The view is freaking insane.
It took us a few hours to hike back, and it was completely dark, but after a hot sauna at the hostel, we did something quite unusual the next day.
A lot of people from Australia go skiing in New Zealand or in Japan because that's the closest to Australia. First day, let's have some fun on the mountain, yo! Last round! Woo! It was beautiful in New Zealand. We did 3 days in total. So nice. The weather was amazing.
Oh, and we still didn't have enough of the mountains and did another exciting hike.
Doing a little water break. Yeah, but it's beautiful though, and the sheep are pretty cute. Oh, and there's Wanaka, the town where we're going to sleep tonight. Yeah, let's continue the summit because yeah. So I reckon we're halfway through, doing a break right now, eating some apples. exhausted, but we're getting there. And it's steep. Very steep, and all the time. Nearly at the summit. The way is quite next one. As soon as the sun went down, it got so cold. Gloves on, heaps of snow here. Yeah guys, I would love to film some more, but we really need to hurry because it's getting dark and